Many of you asked me in the comment section about this CA glue dozer tip. Where do I get it? How do I use it? So in this video I'm going to show you guys how I make them myself. Hey everybody, welcome to Cut, Transform, Glue, and let's get right to it. So to do that you're going to need a Q-tip like this one here, and you want to also get some source of heat, in this case this little candle that I have. I usually do that with some lighter, but in this case I want my hands free for the video. You are also going to need something to cut the Q-tip after the process, so grab yourself a scissor and a precision knife. Now I'll lit up my candle and I'll grab my Q-tip, and now I need you to pay attention to the movement that I'm going to do. I'm going to approach the Q-tip to the flame, and I'm not only rocking it back and forth, but I'm also rotating it on its own axis, and this is important. And once you feel the color change, you firmly pull each extremity apart from each other. Now this pull is very tricky, so I'm going to repeat the process on video for you guys. So again, here from another angle. And what I really need you guys to see is the color change, so I'm going to freeze the frame here. So this right here is what you're looking for. Once it gets to this stage, move away from the flame and pull each extremity apart from each other. And you actually want to hold it like that for a little while. Once it gets cold, you just grab your X-Acto knife and you cut it. So just choose the length that you want it to be and then cut it, and then you just have to remove the cotton from the back. Now you want to grab your glue bottle and you want to make the hole on the tip as the same size of the Q-tip. In this case mine already is, so grab yourself a drill bit that matches the Q-tip, do the hole, and then you just have to fixate it. To do that I'm going to use some masking tape. And I choose to use the masking tape because it doesn't leave any residue when I'm trying to replace the tip. And you want that to be really tight because you don't want any air getting inside the bottle. And there you go, you have your dozer tip for your CA glue bottle. And once I'm done for the day, I will usually just cover the tip with another piece of masking tape. Now I made this shot right here just to show you guys how different things can go when stretching the Q-tip. In both of these situations I used the same source of heat and I tried to keep the same distance from the flame, but as you can see one is way wider than the other one. And to me this is actually good because I'll keep the wider one for the bigger bottles and the thin for the smaller one. And as you can see with the smaller one you can make really thin lines of glue, so this is very good for precision. Now sometimes some debris will get caught on the tip of this dozer and it will get it clogged. Now when that happens you just have to pull the debris out with your fingers, and most of the time that's it, you can still use the tip. But sometimes that process will damage the Q-tip and you have to cut it. This will make it shorter, but you can also always replace it with some spare ones. So once a month I will sit and I'll make dozens of these tips, so I'll have them ready to go when I need it. So this is it for this video. I hope this tutorial can be useful for you guys. If you like the content, please consider subscribing to the channel, and if you want to go one step further, the link to my Ko-fi account is on the description box below. And as always, thanks for watching.